Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something completely pointless but also kind of fun. Instead of designing a cool product or simulating something useful in Fusion 360, we're going to waste time on purpose. That's right. We're writing a script that creates 5,000 tiny circles in a single sketch. It does nothing, it helps no one. But it will absolutely bring your computer to its knees. Let's open Fusion 360. Fire up the script editor, and drop in some nonsense code. We hit run, and now watch this magic, slowly, painfully. Each circle drawn, like a tiny pixel of regret, you can hear your CPU whisper. Why? You can feel your GPU slowly losing the will to render, and there it is. A sketch so cluttered, Fusion doesn't even know what to do with it. This is what peak productivity looks like, or the end of it. Anyway, thanks for watching this ridiculous experiment. Drop a like if you've ever accidentally crashed Fusion 360, and subscribe for more chaos in CAD. See you next time unless Fusion freezes forever.